A beautifully decorated garden creates a welcoming outdoor space that feels peaceful, colourful, and full of life.
Great garden design begins with thoughtful paths, planting areas, and comfortable spaces for relaxing or entertaining outdoors.
Planters, decorative stones, garden art, and outdoor lighting bring personality while complementing the surrounding natural beauty.
Combining flowers, shrubs, and greenery with different heights creates visual balance and year-round interest throughout the garden. Soft outdoor lighting extends enjoyment into the evening while highlighting pathways, plants, and decorative features with warmth.
A thoughtfully decorated garden becomes a relaxing place for family gatherings, quiet mornings, and memorable outdoor moments together.
With thoughtful decoration and careful planning, any garden can become a beautiful outdoor retreat to enjoy every season.